In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a rear brake line on your Toyota Camry. Let's get started. Using a 21mm socket, remove the 5 lug nuts. Remove the wheel. Using a 10mm wrench, we're going to remove the fitting for the metal line to the rubber line. Our line is fully loose. We're going to remove our H-clip from under it using a pair of pliers. Pull the line off. There should be fluid coming out. When you pull this line, make sure there's a bucket under you. Using a 12mm socket, remove the bolt for the brake line bracket. Using a 12mm socket, remove the union bolt. Remove the line. Remove the union bolt and take all of the crush washers off. Install a crush washer under your union bolt. Install the union bolt into the line, put the other crush washer on the other side, and then we'll install this into the caliper. Install the line into the caliper. Make sure that this finger is sitting inside of the caliper. Snug the bolt down. Install the brake line into the bracket and get the bolt started. Snug the bolt down. Install the line into the bracket. Make sure it's keyed in. There's 2 flats on either side. And then install the clip. Try and start this line by hand. If you can't, be very gentle putting it on with a wrench. We do not want to cross-thread this at all. Snug the line down. Torque the union bolt to 24 foot-pounds. Torque the brake line fitting to 10 foot-pounds. Remove the bleeder cap. Using an 8mm wrench, we're going to crack the bleeder screw open. We're going to wait for a steady stream of fluid to come out of here with no bubbles. Once we have a steady stream with no bubbles, we're going to lock it down and reinstall our cap. Install the wheel. Get the lug nuts started. Snug them down. Torque the wheels in a star pattern to 76 foot-pounds. You may need to refill your master cylinder while bleeding your calipers. If you do, remove the cap. You'll see the max fill line on the side of the reservoir. And then we'll just add fluid until we hit that line. If you need help seeing, you can wiggle it. It might help you see where the line is. Ours is now at the max full. Put the cap back on it, and you're good to go.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.